In this video, I will present the top takeaways from the book FU Money by Dan Lok. Takeaway number 4. The 9 characteristics of an ideal business. Before you start to spend your focused energy, make sure you choose an endeavor where the chances of making a few money are as high as possible. 1. Do what you love. Doing something only for the money is okay, but it's short-sighted. Take a business where you have at least some interest. You'll be much more competitive that way. 2. Stable, growing, long-term demand. Pioneers often end up with arrows in their back. Competition is good. It gives you the best clue you can get. That is, more money to earn in that market. 3. Be portable. This allows you to say FU to the leash, which keeps you tied to a certain location. How does working from the beaches in Bahamas sound to you? 4. High profit margin. Low profit margins mean no room for error. You need room for error. 5. Scalability. If there is essentially no difference in effort on your side to sell 100 units instead of 10 units of your product, you have a scalable business. Since you strive for an automated income vehicle, this is a prerequisite. It allows for you to decouple time spent and income. 6. Low startup cost. If there is a need for co-investors already from the get-go, it just makes the whole startup process much more complicated than necessary. Avoid this, especially as a beginner. 7. Require little or no staff. Dan Lok prefers contractors over employees, mainly because they cause less hassle. 8. Low overheads. Avoid costs that are directly tied to income. Use affiliates and contractors as much as possible. 9. Money coming in while you sleep. If you ever want to be able to achieve freedom, you must decouple time spent and income. As mentioned before, most scalable businesses fulfill this. I might be shooting myself here, but YouTube and other internet-based businesses typically fulfill all 9 of these. If you decide to start a YouTube channel in the field of investing because of this, just remember who got you started. Takeaway number 5. 7 golden rules of internet riches. So we have established an internet-based business often fulfills all characteristics of an ideal business. Naturally, the next step will be to look at what you want and what you should prioritize. So here we go. 7 golden rules to internet riches. 1. The market comes first. If you want to find out where money is being made, look no further than where money is being spent. 2. Create a simple, easy to navigate website that sells. Your website is not a brochure. It is a 24/7 virtual salesperson. 3. Build a business, not a money maker. Don't focus on quick money deals. Focus on assets such as customers lists, products and brands. 4. Create multiple income streams in one business, not diversified businesses. Serve the needs of one group of people the greatest extent possible. Avoid jumping from market to market. 5. Leverage the time and resources of others. Outsourcing is one of the most powerful tools there is. Think about it, you have only 24 hours a day. But through outsourcing, you can make that seemingly static variable a scalable one. 6. Use your personality to sell. People do business with people they know, like and trust. For example, someone who's incredible at this is Hrithik Roshan. He is the co-founder of HRX and sells his products through his physique and his sense of fashion style. 7. Automate as much as possible. Inexpensive technology available for running your business, such as automated emails and chatbots. Choose the fast way to wealth, not the slow one. Hope this video inspires you to take your stance at FU Money. And if you want to become an independent trader, do check out Havenspire.in and enroll yourself for the upcoming batch.